How can I update my debit card billing address?
Hello there. Today, we are going to guide you through the process of updating your debit card billing address. This might be necessary if you have recently moved or want your bank statements to come to a different location. It's important to keep this information up to date to ensure smooth transactions and to avoid any issues with your bank.
Why is updating the billing address important?
Updating your billing address is essential. If your billing address doesn't match the one on file with your bank, it could lead to transaction denials, delays in receiving your bank correspondence, and even potential security concerns. Ensure you update your billing address as soon as possible after a move or change.
Accessing your bank account.
To update your debit card billing address, you first need to access your bank account. This can generally be done in two ways. 1. Online. Most banks allow you to log into your account online or through their mobile app. Once logged in, look for an option that says Account Settings or Profile. 2. In person. If you are unable to update your address online, visit your bank's nearest branch. Make sure to carry a valid ID proof and address proof.
Changing your address.
Online. In the Account Settings or Profile section, look for an option that says Personal Information, Change Address, or something similar. Enter your new address and save your changes. In person. If you are visiting the bank in person, ask the bank representative to update your address. Provide them with your new address details and any necessary proof of address, such as a utility bill, lease agreement, or government documentation. Remember, it's important to double-check the information you've entered before confirming your changes.
Confirmation.
Most banks will send you an email or text message confirming the change. This message will typically include a reminder to update the address associated with any automatic payments linked to your debit card. Don't ignore this step. You want to ensure all your transactions continue to process smoothly. That's it. You've successfully learned how to update your debit card billing address. Remember to regularly review and update your personal information with your bank to prevent any issues or interruptions in service. And as always, if you have any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank's customer service for assistance. Happy banking!